I've just discovered 5 websites that can help you start making real money from the comfort of your home today. And trust me, I've tried many of these myself, so I know exactly how they work and how much you can actually earn. The best part? All of these platforms are 100% online. And as a special bonus, I'll be revealing the one website at the end that truly jump-started my online income journey. So without further delay, here are the 5 websites you can use to start making money online in 2024 and beyond into 2025. Let's get started. Let's dive right into the first website on our list, usertesting.com. If you're wondering how you can earn money here just from the name alone, let me break it down for you. User testing allows you to generate income by reviewing various websites and providing insightful feedback through a series of questions. This platform exists because countless businesses rely on user feedback, just like yours, to fine-tune their services and ensure everything runs seamlessly. Here's the exciting part. Companies are willing to pay handsomely for your insights. Your feedback is invaluable as it enables these businesses to implement necessary changes that enhance their user experience and boost their revenue. Getting started with usertesting.com is incredibly straightforward. Just like the other websites on our list, all you need to do is head over to their site, click on Sign Up, or in this case, Start Here, and fill out a few simple details about yourself. Once that's complete, you'll be presented with a wide range of websites, software, and companies that you can begin testing and providing feedback for. The best part? You don't need to be a tech whiz or have extensive knowledge of the internet. Your primary task will involve simple screen recordings as you navigate through different sites. Each test comes with a straightforward list of questions, often multiple choice, where you'll provide valuable feedback on aspects like presentation and copywriting. The specific nature of these tasks will depend on the tests assigned to you once you sign up. This is an excellent way to make money online while sharing your insights and opinions. Now let's talk about the exciting part, how much money you can actually make on usertesting.com. I know this is what you've all been waiting for. While the site mentions that you'll earn an average of $1 per test, based on my personal experience, that figure is just the tip of the iceberg. Each test usually takes between 5 to 20 minutes to complete. But here's the kicker. I found that you can actually earn up to $30 for each test you take, with most tests averaging around a 30-minute time frame. To put this in perspective, if you take just 2 tests an hour, you could potentially make up to $60 per hour, all by simply sharing your thoughts and answering questions about various companies online. So if you're ready to turn your spare time into a lucrative side hustle, user testing is definitely the way to go. If you thought the last website was a breeze for making money, wait until you discover Listverse, a game changer that actually pays you to create simple yet intriguing lists for their platform. Yes, you heard that right. Imagine crafting lists like 10 startling cases of jurors' mischief, 10 actors who return to roles after a long absence, or 10 politicians who beat a future president. These are just a few examples of the captivating titles you could create. Creating these lists is not only straightforward, but it's also a fun way to express your creativity. You don't need to write long blog posts or craft elaborate essays. All you need to do is come up with interesting titles and submit them on the site. If your list catches their interest, Listverse will actually pay you for it. You can earn up to $100 for each list you create, making this an incredibly accessible opportunity to turn your ideas into cash. So why not dive in and start earning by sharing your unique insights today? What makes this opportunity truly remarkable is that you don't need any writing skills at all. That's right, you can harness the incredible power of artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT to effortlessly generate captivating lists that can help you start raking in your first few $100s online. Imagine if you decided to publish just 2 lists per week on Listverse. You could earn $200 weekly, which adds up to a fantastic $800 in your bank account every month, all without breaking a sweat. This means you can pocket this extra cash without doing any of the heavy lifting yourself. Instead, you're simply leveraging free AI tools available online to turn your ideas into income. Continuing our exploration of lucrative opportunities in content creation, let me introduce you to another fantastic platform where you can amplify your earnings, Rev.com. Rev offers a unique chance to make money simply by transcribing audio content or videos you're already enjoying. Picture this: you can relax in the comfort of your home, watching videos while typing out everything that's being said. That's right, you get paid for something you do anyway. If you're currently watching this video, there's absolutely no reason you shouldn't be capitalizing on this opportunity to earn online. With just your ability to listen and type, you can transform your viewing experience into a profitable venture. So why wait? Dive into this hassle-free way to make money and start your journey today. There are no excuses. To unlock your potential earnings, all you need to do is visit rev.com and scroll down to the bottom of the page. From there, simply click Freelancers. This will guide you to a dedicated page where the opportunities await. If you're looking to become a transcriptionist, you'll be thrilled to discover that you can earn anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. So, how does this all work? Rev sends you audio or video files, and your job is to accurately type out everything that's being said. If you choose to provide subtitles for video content, you'll also need to add timestamps to ensure that the dialogue syncs perfectly with the visuals. Companies are willing to pay for this service because they need subtitles for accessibility and want to transform their videos into blog posts. They prefer hiring real people for these tasks, as AI often makes errors in understanding context and nuance. One of the standout features of Rev.com is its remarkable flexibility, allowing you to work entirely on your own schedule. Unlike many companies that impose bi-weekly or monthly payment structures, Rev pays you weekly, meaning you can start seeing cash flow within just a week of signing up. For those opting for captioning, the pay is even more enticing, providing a chance to boost your earnings further. While this opportunity may not make you rich compared to some of the higher-paying sites I'll be discussing later, it serves as an excellent entry point for anyone looking to make some easy, quick cash from the comfort of their home. Imagine sitting on your couch listening to engaging audio or video content and getting paid for transcribing it, all without stepping foot outside. Rev.com is specifically designed for those seeking a straightforward, remote income stream in today's digital world. If you're eager to kickstart your online earning journey, don't let this opportunity pass you by. Jump on board with Rev and start generating income in a flexible, hassle-free manner. If you're watching this right now, chances are you've stumbled upon numerous websites that claim to pay you for filling out surveys online. But let me break it to you, many of these companies are far from legitimate. And even the ones that are will often pay you a pittance, barely enough to buy a cup of coffee at Starbucks, let alone any amount that could lead to life-changing financial freedom. However, I've uncovered a gem that completely redefines what to expect from survey platforms. Prolific. Unlike most survey sites, Prolific is a reputable research company that genuinely pays users for participating in surveys tied to academic studies conducted by various universities. So why does Prolific compensate you for your time and insights? The information you provide helps researchers make significant advancements across various fields, which means your contributions are not only valuable, but vital to the progression of human knowledge. On Prolific, you can earn anywhere from $6 to $12 for each survey you complete, which is a substantial increase compared to the few cents that other sites might offer. This platform ensures you get a fair wage for your opinions and experiences. And the best part, you can do all of this from the comfort of your own home. Just imagine lounging on your couch, engaging in meaningful discussions, and making money while you do it. Plus, the surveys are designed to be engaging and relevant, ensuring that your time is spent wisely. So, if you're looking for a trustworthy way to earn extra income online and want your voice to contribute to important research, Prolific is the perfect platform for you. All right, we're moving on to website number 5, and if you're still with me, do me a quick favor, hit that like button if you've been getting value so far. But don't go anywhere just yet, because the final website I'm about to reveal is truly a game changer. It's the very site that helped me make my first $100,000 online. It's called Preply, and you can find it at preply.com. This platform is a language tutoring site where you can get paid to teach a language that you already speak fluently. For example, if you speak a highly sought-after language like Spanish, you can easily sign up for a new account on Preply and start earning by helping others learn the language. But here's the kicker. Most of you watching this video right now probably speak English, which is also in high demand. That means you're already qualified to start making $15 to $25 per hour just by teaching English on Preply. It's as simple as creating an account, offering your tutoring services, and getting paid for something you already know. One of the standout features of this platform, compared to all the other language tutoring sites, is how they handle all the behind-the-scenes work for you. Whether it's payment processing, managing homework, or dealing with any software issues, you don't have to worry about anything except teaching the language you already know. Now, I've done my research, and here's the best part. You don't need any prior teaching experience or qualifications. All you need is a mobile phone or a laptop, and you can be on your way to making up to $25 per hour just by helping someone learn a language you're fluent in. And while we're on this topic, I'd love to know, what languages do you speak? Drop a comment below, especially if you speak multiple languages, because you never know. You might connect with someone else who speaks the same language as you. As I mentioned at the first, I will add here the final bonus gem exclusively just for you guys. While the last website I introduced shows you how to earn by teaching a language you already know, imagine if you could make money by doing something even simpler, like sharing links. Yes, that's right. Picture yourself earning $1,000 just by sharing links from the comfort of your home. Now, this bonus website has a special place in my heart because it played a pivotal role in kickstarting my online money-making journey. ClickBank, available at clickbank.com. This platform is a powerhouse for everyday individuals like you and me, allowing us to sign up and promote a wide range of digital products using unique affiliate links. You can sign up completely free of charge, making it accessible to everyone. While it used to be available worldwide, it now has some restrictions based on your location. Nevertheless, ClickBank remains one of the best affiliate marketplaces online, offering a plethora of digital products that you can promote and earn a commission from with ease. If you're ready to take your first step toward financial freedom without any complicated prerequisites, ClickBank is the perfect platform for you to explore. Get ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine. That's right, what we're discussing here is the essence of affiliate marketing. You start by getting an affiliate link from ClickBank, which connects you to a specific digital product. You then promote that product online to your audience, and every time someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission on the sale. Let's break this down with a quick example. Imagine you're promoting a product priced at $100. If that product offers a 70% commission rate, you would pocket a whopping $70 for every sale you generate. This is exactly how I earned my first $100,000 online. I've been in this legitimate online business for the past 5 to 6 years, and it has transformed countless lives, turning many into multi-millionaires. Don't let the prospect of this intimidate you. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and fastest ways to start making money online. Whenever a beginner asks me how to get started, I always direct them to this route because it's so straightforward. You don't need to show your face online, create your own products, or handle customer service, none of that. All you need to do is find a reputable network like ClickBank, partner with a company, and share your affiliate link. You can promote it to your friends, family, or even your Instagram followers. When they sign up through your link, you simply earn money. It's as simple as that. With that said, we've reached the end of this list of money-making websites that could potentially boost your income within the next 24 hours. I genuinely hope this video serves as a valuable resource to empower as many people as possible to tap into the lucrative opportunities available online. We're living in a digital age, and thanks to the advancements in AI, making money on the internet has never been easier. It's time for you to harness these platforms and countless others available at your fingertips to start generating income online. If you found any value in today's content, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. I have a wealth of exciting and informative videos lined up, designed to help you navigate this digital landscape effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Stay tuned, and ciao for now.